Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If I know what love is, it is because of you. Love is grand, discover is 100 grand. Love you are eternal like springtime. The only way to retain love is to give it away. In love, unlike most other passion, the recollection of what you have had and lost is always better than what you can hope for in the future. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. When we are in love, we seem to ourselves quite different from what we were before. Love is the master key that opens the gate of happiness. Love, it surrounds every being and extended slowly to embrace all that shall. Love develops through friendship. Love and happiness are a perfect match. We are all born for love. It is the principle of existence and its only end. Love is trembling happiness. Love is the only force capable of transforming an enemy into a friend. Love and hate are such strong words, they also cause so much pain. Courage is like flower, it must have hope for nourishment. Love is the greatest refreshment in life. I really don't know what I love you means. I think it means don't leave me here alone. What we have once enjoyed we can never lose. All that we love deeply becomes a part of us. Love is the flower you have got to let grow. Love is not an emotion or an instinct, it's an art. Thanks for watching my video.